Today I am working on a new ballroom chair, and it's using level of detail. What that means is you create multiple versions of an object, and as the camera gets closer to the object, it switches to a higher and higher quality model, and then vice versa. When you get away, it gets lower and lower and lower. All right, so there's the lowest quality, and then you zoom in, and then there is switches to the next quality, and then from there it switches to the full quality. So the goal was you probably couldn't tell the difference. But all of this is just to trick the computer and to trick the end product into looking like really high detailed stuff, but gives the computer a break on how many triangles it has to calculate at a given time. So that is level of detail, and over the next 12 months, we are completely rebuilding our model library to incorporate level of detail so that we can do super fast, amazing animations.